Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog, such a clever dog you are.
After we got back from our holiday, late at night, someone was knocking on our door.
It's Mrs. Hobbs.
There he is.
Me?
You are home. Don't you know, Waffle is not allowed to go outside until Evie gets home from school. Look.
Oh, no, Mrs. Hobbs.
Have fun, Waffle, on your doggy.
Waffle, school.
Are you going to try to escape today, Waffle? So I've locked your dog flat.
Oh, Waffle, school.
No, Waffle, there's no going back to school for you today. Is there,
But
George?
Why? School.
Mr. Brooklyn Bell
School.
telephoned and made it clear you are not to be let out of this house
But
until Evie gets
why?
home from school.
Go to school.
It's my
But
job to make sure
why?
that you stay right here with George and me all day.
School?
No school for Waffle.
School, please.
No school. So, what are you going to do with your day, Waffle?
Tunnel.
Oh, I did, of course, expect you to try and escape this way too, Waffle, but I'm one step ahead of you. Blocking up this tunnel was the first thing I did.
Oh, Waffle, get out. Now, please.
You are not going to school.
Oh. Hobbs? Oh, Sleepy buys Hobbs. Escape.
Waffle,
Yeah? Oh.
come back here. There we are, Waffle. You're not going anywhere now that you're tied up nice and safely here. Everything you could possibly need is within easy reach.
Oh.
There's some food, water, cosy bed and a cat crossword.
Cat crossword.
Silly me, that's my cat crossword. Well, I can't keep caring for you all morning, can I? I need a bit of me time too. There's tea to drink and biscuits to eat, and I do want to finish this crossword. Oh, isn't this nice?
Waffle school.
Not this again.
Why?
I said no.
Why? Why?
I'm ignoring you, Waffle.
Why? 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 Why?
Stop it, Waffle.
Why? Why? Please? Why? 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 Why?
Stop.
Why? Why?
I'm not listening.
Why? 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 Why?
Not this again.
Why?
I said no.
Why? Why?
I'm ignoring you, Waffle.
Why? 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 Why?
You're wasting
Why?
your time,
Why?
Waffle. I
Why?
can't hear you.
But why? 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 Why?
I'm doing my cat crossword, Waffle.
Why? Why?
Rhymes
Why?
with mat,
Why? Why?
animal.
Why?
Can
George?
Then George helped change Waffle's luck.
Georgie Wee Wee.
Tasty. You should try it.
Waffle, waffle, though we're far away, quickly we can come back by bus, car or train. Oh, Waffle, we know we are far, but not that far by bus, train, or car.
You're home!
Waffle!
Hello, family! Oh,
We missed you, Waffle. We love you.
how are you, boy? Waffle loves
So don't
cuddles.
feel lonely. Please never growl.
Snuggle, Waffle.
If you ever
Love you,
need
Waffle.
us, all you gotta do is all you gotta do is all you gotta do is all you gotta do is
Tunnel!
Oh, I did, of course, expect you to try and escape this way too, Waffle, but I'm one step ahead of you. Blocking up this tunnel was the first thing I did.
Oh, Waffle, get out! Now, please!
You are not going to school.
Oh. Hobbobs? Oh, Sleepy buys Hobbobs. Escape.
Waffle,
Yeah? Oh,
come back here.
Georgie Wee Wee.
Eat up. Tasty. There. Time for me to have a rest. Been on my feet all day. Caring for 2 pets. No one to care for me. Don't even think about trying to escape when I pop out to bring Georgie back in. Stay there, Waffle.
Okay.
I'm watching you. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Take your time, Georgie. Although we don't want to leave Waffle on his own inside for too long, in case he thinks up another escape plan.
Hello, Mrs. Hobbs. I've let myself in.
Gramps!
Jerry, close the front door!
Sorry, what was that, Mrs. Hobbs? Oh, hello, Waffle. Now, why are you wearing a lid inside? Come on, let's go. Off you go.
Yay!
No!
Can I do anything to help?
Need to get this off!
Is everything all right, Mrs. Hobbs?
No, Derek. It is not. Where is Waffle?
Waffle. Oh, he
Don't you know? Waffle is not allowed to go outside until Evie gets home from school.
Evie? Evie?
Mrs. Hobbs, I'm home from school.
Evie only had school this morning, Mrs. Hobbs, because reception class finishes early on their first day. You know, settling in time.
So Waffle won't want to go back to school anymore today.
No.
Let me tell you about my first day at school, Waffle.
Yeah.
All finished! Your kitchen is freshly decorated and ready for you and George to enjoy, Mrs. Hobbs. Just watch the wet paint.
Thank you, Connie.
Yay.
Come along, George. We've got a dog-free home to return to.
Mrs. Hobbs? There we are.
Bye, Hobbobs.
After Mrs. Hobbs went home, Mum, Dad and Doug came back and Gramps got out the photo albums.
Now, this is our Jess on her first day at school.
Oh.
Jess school?
Yes, Waffle, she hasn't changed much.
Except from the hair.
I know. That's a lovely photo, Dad.
Ooh, not as lovely as this photo.
Mum took it today at school.
Oh, look at you. I certainly did. I sent it to Gramps as soon as I took it.
Yeah, and I printed it up. So, Evie, you can now take your picture of your first day at school and put it next to your mum's on her first day at school.
Have you got a photo of Dad on his first day at school?
Oh, well, your wish is my command. I think I've got one upstairs.
I've got one of me too. Meant my first dad, same as my new dad.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I don't have a picture of your dad's first day at school. Do you know what? I haven't actually seen your dad in a really long time.
No, but it's lovely that you want to see a picture of him.
I'll tell you one thing. You have the exact same colour eyes as your birth dad. Blue.
Did you find one? Yeah. Come on then. Look, I'm wearing odd socks.
You wanted to wear odd socks.
Brilliant, on your first day. One orange and one polka.
Look, here's me on my first day at school. I had blonde, curly hair.
Oh, it's so lovely.
Yeah, it's different now.
Waffle school photo.
You haven't got a first day picture, Waffle, because you're not going to school.
Why?
Because children go to school, not children and dogs.
But why?
Because that's just the way it is, that's why.
Why? Why? Why?
No, Waffle,
Why?
no.
Why? 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 Why?
Maybe one day Waffle would go to school, but you'll have to wait a bit longer for that story.
Everybody